Hello everybody. Today I'm taking a look at Recut, which is a video editing and cutting tool that can export XML files for a lot of different programs like Premiere or Final Cut. Let's take a look at it together. So, as you can see, we're at getrecut.com, and this is where you're going to find this program. The program is used for automatically removing silences from videos. So really a highlight here is the ability to export to programs like Premiere, DaVinci, Final Cut Pro, or ScreenFlow using an XML file. And this program only costs $99. It's an application rather than a web-based service, so you buy it and download it once, and then it's on your computer to use as much as you want. So you start by adding a bunch of files, or just one file, cut silence with previews and settings, and then export to your tool of choice. I'm going to go ahead and show how we do this. So now we're in the program Recut. I'm picking a video that I'm going to cut. This is a demo video that I'm using here. As you can see, there's red sections that are being cut. The blue sections are not being cut. There's an auto threshold, but I can also manually edit the threshold. And as you can see, the blue and red sections are changing as I change that threshold. The threshold is for how much noise is considered silent. There's also a duration threshold, padding. There's an option to remove short audio spikes. You can skip silences, and I'm going to go ahead and export to Premiere. Notice I'm keeping silent segments, which means that I'm going to be able to see these edits in Premiere. One other thing I can do here is you can change these in and out segments manually using the backspace key. All right, so let's go over to Premiere and take a look together. So I'm going to create a new project, get Recut. Then I'm going to go into that project, find the XML file, which came out of Recut. It's going to automatically import not just the cuts, but the video itself as well. And as you can see, I've got the red outs and the blue ins as dictated by Recut. If I wanted to, I can go ahead and select one or potentially more of these segments. Typically, you're going to do what's called a ripple delete, which means that when you delete, everything gets pushed together so you don't have blank spaces in your video. One other cool feature that we could do since we're in Adobe Premiere is what's called a morph cut. So if you go to Effects, search for morph or morph cut, you can drag that into the segments where we have cuts. And what that's going to do, it's going to morph from one segment to another to make it look a little bit smoother. There is the potential for artifacts here, though, so you definitely have to take a look at output manually. So again, I'm in Premiere here. I use the tool Recut to make these edits. And here I've got my morph cut. You can see, the door kind of slides around a little bit, but it's pretty cool. So now if I wanted to, I could export this video. Click export and let it go. So again, remember you can check this tool out at getrecut.com, and I hope you enjoyed this demo video. Have a great day.